Welcome back, guys. This is part 2, how to get the tier 2 axe. And I think this is my, last video of the part 2. How to get the tier 2 axe. It's not my last part. It's just the last part of part. Yeah, you'll get it. Stuck. Okay, so this is how to get Bombardier. Sorry about that. This is how to get Bombardier parts and ladybug heads and grounded the easiest way. First, you go to your little starting cabin with all your stuff that I showed you to make. And as you can see, we only need 2 things. So what we're gonna do, go from this, go to the giant base above, go around it like the back side. There's a weed stem to go past it. Okay, so this is a part where it's really hard. We just kind of have to go around it, which I do not like, because there's going to be stink bugs, which is going to be in my next part. Well, how to get the tier 2 axe. I meant pickaxe. I meant hammer. You. Yoked. That ant is yoked. That makes no sense. What saw me? That's not good. Okay. Okay, he's gone. Is that what I think? Oh my god, boy. It's the wolf spider I showed you how to get like 4 videos ago. Yay! Oh, technically 3. 2 videos ago. But, same thing. Okay. So there's a picnic bench and there's a weird stick coming out of the ground. What it is, well, it's a shovel. It's a shovel, and really close to this shovel is some Bombardier. Where is there? I thought there was. Yep, here. There's the Bombardier. Okay. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Charge! Oh my gosh, I actually did not mean to do that, guys. Self-defense mechanism. Oh, I can't die. I gotta go. Let's just craft some heals real quick. Oh my god, boy. You stupid thing. I'm at 1 HP. I hate the stupid Bombardier. Dude, why would you do that, game? Hey, at least we're full health now. Go back where you died. Before you do that, I would go to the baseball and collect some plant fiber. The one on the ground, if you kind of forgot. And then grab as much sap as you can. Game, why? And also, why I'm recording is, my entire game got deleted, and I already installed it. All my favorite world was deleted. So like, yeah. But I'm back. back to the beast that we are trying to kill. Before you do that, make some fiber bandages. Even though I can make 2, it's still really good to kill that stupid bombardier beetle. That's one place not to go. One place not to go. That's like the only place you cannot go. They ain't died to poison. That's gonna be later in the game. And reminding you, this is part 2. Go check my part 1 out. And my first ever video. Okay. If you guys died, don't worry. Just do the same what I did. Don't worry about that humming. It's just my little sister. Little sister. You could peep. Oh, never mind. I thought you could peep things across the map. Happened once. Thought I could do it twice. Twice. Oh, I already peeped a bee in my last episode, I think. Go away, you stinking bee. Okay, we died up here. We need pickup. The trophy's gonna be our backpack from now on. Let's do it how it's supposed to be. You know what? I'm just gonna pick it up. That's all it has on. Coming in a clean start. Why do you put acid on yourself? That's the one thing I do not get. Not again. The stun's really good on this act. The tier 1 club. Haha, you missed. No, not again. Hey, you're stupid. Dude, why would you do this to me? Trophy accomplished. I got a boiling gland on the first try? Don't worry about that, that's from my bed. But, wow, that's impressive. I got all the stuff I need. Well, time to kill the ladybug. I like the detail that the developers put into this. Look at the weapon. Look at the hotbar. Look at it. It's so... Look at what they did to even the rocks texture. It's amazing. And plant fiber. When you pick it up, dirt comes out. Ow, that's my foot. Well, it is really cool. What are you guys? What are you? Oh, firefly. I did not mean to run into you, Mr. Wolf Spider. Just leave me the heck alone. Just leave me the heck alone. Just leave me the heck alone. Heck alone. Just leave me the heck alone. Just leave me the heck. Well, guys, I think we're dead. And we're dead. Hey, I hate the wolf spider. They're the worst. Hey, at least we got closer to our goal. Or, yeah, I'm gonna kill the Miss Ladybug first. And then I'll get a backpack. Kill Bombardier. You might not get all 3 in first try like I did. Excuse me. But you could kind of still, like, you know, You really need arrows for the next thing. But where is that stupid ladybug that was here like a minute, 2 minutes, 1 hour ago? I'm just kidding. This is like exactly 1 minute after I recorded part 1. Exactly 1 minute. Where am I even going? Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. This is only my 3rd video. How did that get me? See ya, sucker. There's a really good badge nearby. I just feel it. This is where the ladybugs are usually. So, it's kind of sad that there's no ladybugs. They're probably happy that they're not here. Because I'm gonna... Okay. You are so unlucky, mister. One big hit in the head. I would really appreciate it if you follow, like and subscribe this video, because this is my 3rd video ever, and I'm really excited about that. You are so lucky you got a shot on me. But hey, I got what we need, buds. So, should we go back? Well, yeah, we need my backpack, of course. Knock, knock. Joe. Joe, mama. Ha 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 ha. There's orange. The best thing in the entire game. Orange flower petals. I will also give you a room tour next video. Yes, next video. We will need to kill some ladybugs in the future. For now, no. I don't like the wolf spiders. They're like the most, like, hardest, 2nd hardest spider. 3rd hardest spider. 3rd hardest spider. Let me tell you what the first and second are. The first, the brood mother, which I will actually defeat in this playthrough, and the black widow, which I will also defeat in this playthrough. Oh my god, boy. Oh my god, boy. Part of... This is why. swap team. I'm switching up Pete. Replace me.
Hey, a common example of the Formicidae family.
Let's go back. Oh, 15 minutes? Stink bugs, they can see you from a mile away. Okay. He's stuck. Okay, guys. We have what we need. Now we just need to get back to our house, which I absolutely hate. Look at the stupid stink bugs. Did you know my mom is the coolest? I'd rather run away. I'd rather die by an ant to be dead by you. Just say it, dude.
The smell. Keep it clear this one.
I thought.
That's a soldier ant. Can you tell the difference?
Well, yeah. Those mites can literally jump the entire yard. You're still chasing me? And that is how you get the insect axe. Well, that's how you get the insect axe, guys. I'll see you in the, 1 second. I'll see you in the other video. Peace. First I need my axe. Room tour, next video. Well, video's done. 3, 2, 1, peace.